Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to read an Excel file using Python with OpenPyXL. So first, we need to install OpenPyXL on terminal. You can type pip install or pip3 install OpenPyXL. I have already this on my system, so I'm just going to skip this step. After the installation, we are going to import OpenPyXL. And we are going to load the workbook. I have this sample Excel file that I'm going to read data from. So I'm going to use sales orders. First, I need to load. So this will be our workbook. That will be open Excel dot load dot uh, underscore workbook. And here I need to give the path, and path my Excel file is and we are going to open in now read mode. Data only set to true. Now we are going to get a list with all sheet names. We can do that by typing in print book dot names. We can run our script and check the output. So we got our sheet names printed. Instructions, sales orders, my links. We can loop through the sheet objects. I'm going to use for loop. Would be for I in book dot worksheet worksheets, and we are going to print I dot title instead of name. OpenPyXL uses title. This would be title. Let's run our program again. Here is the output. Now we'll just get the terminal and back to our code. Now we can get the dimensions, the used range of the sheet, maximum rows and maximum columns. Let's print those. So these will be So I will pick sales order sheet book. We are going to pass in sales orders, and now we are going to print sheet maximum rows. Sheet dot max rows, and we are also going to print sheet dot max column. Let's run our program. This is max row. And max rows and number of columns. Now we can read value of a single cell. So I'm going to pass in row number and column number, and so we can get the value. Let's do that. That be, for example, we are gonna do print sheet cell and the row. This will be second row, and the column also second column, and the value. So this will be row 2. We are going to check this one, the second row, and from the second row, so this will be a second row, and we selected a second column. First I'm going to print the first column value, so that will be this one over here. Let's see. I'll run our code. This is column. Spelling is wrong. It should be. And now we are going to run it again. And we get the date. So I'm going to read this second column's value. So I'm going to change it to second. And we get the value of second column. And now I'm going to read the value of third column. So you can read this way values, and we got the value of that column. And if you want to move to next row, then we are in this one, the third one. I'm just going to change to row 3 and column 3 and run it again. and we get the value for that one over here, the third row and the third column. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.